Hello guys, welcome to my channel Genetic Coding. In previous video, we already covered how to navigate from one screen to another screen and how to pass values using the path parameters and extra method. In this video, we will cover how to pass values in the query method. So for this purpose, I'm already make the home screen. Now make a model class like person, make two keys like this, and make a constructor and define a query parameter like it will take a map as a key value and convert into the person model class, and also it will initialize a value which is called to query parameter. It will return us a map. Okay, now we come in our B screen. Here we define a button which is called elevated button like that. Now here we will define a elevated button. In this, first of all, we initialize our model class like I will pass name a genetic coding and age 1 here. So before proceeding to further, we have to be mention our home screen from where in our root config file. So here make new root third screen like that. After that make another screen go root and apply root's name dot third screen is its path, and also apply name of this screen roots third screen. Now we return our actual screen from here. So we already know here is the builder method which will return us a location and also a state which contain all the information which is come from the previous screen. So we want to access a model class which will pass from the B screen to the home screen. So from the B screen we will got a model class. So obj dot we will got person class. So person dot from query parameter. We will convert this method. I'm already mentioned here. This method is from query parameter. We will pass a map and it will initialize these value in the class parameter. So here we got values our state dot uri dot query parameters. Here we will got our model class. Now we will return here our home demo screen. This screen is the same screen where we are using for our demo purpose here. So it is our home screen demo, and here we will define our a parameter which will accept like person. So here we will define it this dot person, and so it can access the object of person class from this parameter, and we will use that parameter here visit dot person dot name. Okay, now here person and obj. Now we will pass here. So what was our steps? First of all, create a screen like home screen demo and make a class model class. After that make a parameter which will accept a object of model class as a parameter. We already defined this like that and use that parameters value here. After that this screen mention your root config file which is already which I already covered how to make in my first video. I will give the link in description, you can watch that. Okay, so after that I define name and path. After that builder I got obj from state.uri.query parameter, because we already pass in our b screen. Oh, we will pass in short time. So we got this from query parameter and pass to our screen. So now we come from v screen. Here, go router dot of context dot go named. Here we will pass our location where we want to go dot third screen, and here query parameter we will call person dot to query parameter. Here we will pass. Now we'll use that. Go to b, here go to home screen. Now you can see the genetic coding title is coming, because in our home screen we implemented name here as a title. So the value is coming from the screen v, because we already here in name value we mentioned the genetic coding. Okay, I hope you understand this concept. Sometime we have faced a situation in which we want to get back value from the next screen to previous screen. So now we want to get back values from the next screen to previous screen. So for this purpose, make a new screen. Now we have already implement our new screen C. In this screen, in this screen I mention here title and make a button to go previous screen. And in our currently working screen, in home screen, I implemented a button to go on the screen C. So I run it and you got the button go to screen C. So I will mention this screen here also. So in go route, path will be our. Every time remember that whenever you want to add new screen, you have to be mention that screen in our root config file. After that only you are able to navigate to that screen. Whichever location you want to travel, you have to be mentioned in this fourth screen. So I will give it name as a fourth screen, roots name. I give name roots dot screen. In builder we got the permission context and state. We will mention here return screen C, like that. We got our root here. I want to rerun this application so that this root will config in our application. Now from the home screen we will navigate to this screen. So how we will navigate now? Till yet we are using go named root. In go named root we have not making any type of history in our application. Whenever we travel to new screen, like I am using go named root. So whenever we travel to next screen, like that screen B, we do not have back history here. So we do not have back history. When I press back button, our application get closed. So when we are using go named, then there is no any type of history available in our application of traveling. So when we want to get value from current screen to previous screen, that it is not practically possible. So when we want to get value from current screen to previous screen, then we have to make history in our stack. So we will use our go router package as a push and pop operation. Now we run it. So now how we move to another screen, like from home screen to C screen. For this, go to home screen and go where our button situated, which is go to screen, C screen. Go to C screen. Here, first of all, called go router dot of context. First of all, get dependency go router. After that, dot, like here you can see we have named push pop, push named, push replacement named. These are method also provided by our go router package, because whenever we want to make history, like we required to make the history of navigation, then we use these type of methods here. So we will use here a push, normal push method, like this. So how you get that? Roots name dot screen, it is fourth screen, like that. Now when I click on this, it will go on C screen. So now it is managing the history. When I press on it, it go in the previous screen. So how it work? So whenever we use named only, like go named root, it will not make the history. What when we use push or push named or push replacement, then it will make history. Whether you are using push named, it is also inserting new route after current one. Now we are going back to our topic, that how to get value from the C screen to home screen. So for that, make it text value is come from home screen. Value is value. Okay, so what we will do, where value, and we will call it here await. Now we are waiting for our result to come back. So how you can that? Now you go your new screen, see here, when pressing go back to go router dot pop some result. Okay, that is, now we got the result. We are returning here a list. So in this screen we will get a list. So we are casting this as a list. Now in our list 0 position, first of all we will check if value dot is not empty. Then value is not empty, we will get and update our value. Set state value, I will give it another name, global value, so that we will not confuse with our local variable value. And in 0th position we will get our value, and this global value will be mentioned here. Okay, now we will run that. I run it, go to home screen, and initially you can see that this value is null. Now go to screen C and press this button, go back to previous. Now you can see that here is some result is mentioned. So our value is some result because we return this some result value. Okay, this is the way how we can get the value from current screen to previous screen. Now we completed how to get value from the from the current screen to previous screen. This is our go router package. We will cover every aspect of go router package for basic functionality. If you want to more detail video on this topic, like how to navigate from using push replacement or push named route, then comment below. I will give detail and discussion on that topic also. Till yet, practice with these method and implement in your project. Thank you.